This machine is intended for dicing vegetables and fruits for the cubes. Also can slice and cut in strips, but mostly it's for the cubes. It has a large hopper, so it means you can feed it with a conveyor and integrate it in the production line. Extended hopper helps to pour products more easily into the machine, and it also serves for the safety. Machine has productivity up to 2000 kilograms per hour. Now we will dice potatoes 5 by 5 millimeters. Now we will dice carrots. If you are interested in this vegetable dicer, then contact information is below.